What's up guys, Funkopoptrainer, and today we're going to be building a glass Detolf cabinet. So here they are, the IKEA Detolf glass cabinets. It's a two-piece, you know, whenever you go buy them, make sure you get your 1 and your 2. These actually go for $99.99, so $100. Not bad. I actually like them. I have 2 of these. As you can see, it's supposed to look like that at the end. That's my second one over there. So I got my helper here, and we're gonna get this started, kitty. First, you gotta go to your number 1 and tear that up. Kitty, you're not even helping. This would be much easier if you're helping. Box number 1, open. Here it is, your instructions. I don't need that. I'm Mexican, I'll build it and have extra parts left over. Don't need that either. I'll glue it together. Just go down. Alright, so we got this one. Let's open the second one because it is a 2-piece thing and we need to have both of them open. Now I'm sure there's a way faster way to open this up. I think I'm just making a mess, but it's all good. So, got both of them open, and we'll stop for today. We'll start this tomorrow again, Alright, so here's all the messy stuff that happens when you don't know how to open a box properly. Now, this is actually very important. I don't know why I throw this away, thinking I know what I'm doing. Alright, so I convinced my wife to come and help me. Right, this is 1, 2, one on the bottom, one on the top. You got all your glass right here. It should be 3 glass in there. These are the ones that hold everything together at the end. And I think there's actually more glass. Yeah, there's more glass down there. Alright,
so what's going on here?
Alright, so look, you have all your stuff right here that you're gonna need. And according to them, it's 2 guys, but I think we'll manage. JayV's not here. That could have been JayV. Alright, so you put these bad boys over here. Put 1 and 2. And you tighten them up a little bit. Good. Alright, now you put the other one. Alright, once you get that out of the way, then you bring this guy. So you got this little bag. You put these right here. Has a little pre-hole. Push them in all the way. There. I'm gonna go get this other one. And according to them, you're supposed to use this side, the long side in the back, short side in the front, and the long side on that side. You got that right there? Because now, let's see. According to this, we already did step 5. Now we go to box number 2. It says there's 2 of these and not this one, so the fat one no, the skinny one yeah.
I like how you read instructions.
Well, I mean, that's the way they put it. And they put the sticker up.
Alright, so what's going on here?
So right here we're gonna have to. You got the glass?
Yeah.
There it is. I'm gonna take it little by little.
So what happened?
Alright, so we had to stop the video for a little bit because this is actually supposed to be flushed. Ours was a little bit higher earlier. You know, looking back at what we did wrong, you're supposed to make sure that this bottom one is flushed all the way, and that should leave it flushed. So yeah, make sure it's flushed. Alright, so we are still on step 7. See right here? Just make sure it's flushed. And we still gotta put the second one, so let me go back at it. This is the second one right here. Imagine I just drop it.
We just throw it to the wall.
Alright, so that's what I'm talking about right here. Oh no. Oh, okay. This is the other one. This is the one that
So that's
closes.
the wrong one?
Yeah. This is the one that closes. Alright, so it was on this side. But there it is. So this is the other skinny one they were talking about. Now this one, the same thing, you gotta make sure that it's on this corner. And you're supposed to let it slide in. Like that. You start pushing it slowly on every corner. Just to make sure you're flushed. And just keep pushing. Flushed. We finished step 7. Now we're on step 8. Why does this one look like he's sleeping?
That's me.
He's just sleeping. Alright guys, so this is the front of the shell, right? This is where the door is gonna be. And almost closed, but almost done. The last thing you gotta do is you gotta put this guy at the hole in the back. You gotta line him up. Right there. And you got that one, and you got this one. Alright, just gotta make sure everything gets in there properly. There it is. Alright. Make sure you guys go around, make sure every single corner is all the way in. These go on top.
I'm too short. I don't know if I can't see anything, but
Alright, well, yeah.
Hopefully you guys can see what he's doing.
I don't want to overtime it. Right there. There. And now, after we did that, and we timed that out, we timed everything up. Now, step 10, you gotta put these. These are for the door, you know. Depending on what way you want it to open, you know, you have both options, left or right. So now you put these on whichever side you want. Like if you want to open it from the right side or from the left side. And I'm choosing to open them on the right side. So over here, and then you put the other one up there. After that, you're gonna put these guys . Alright, so you peel this one off, you put it in the corner. Then you got this back part right here. And you don't want to over tighten it. You know? You don't want to accidentally break it. Now this tells you to use this for your corner. This is like a protector, so make sure that you don't accidentally hit the edge and break it. So you put this for now, right there, because now we need to move over here. See? Protection right there. Alright, so you're gonna peel the other one. There it is. It's real sticky, so once you peel it, you put it on the corner of the glass, right there. Mine came out crooked. There you go. Easy peasy. And the reason they gave you that corner thing is to make sure that you don't accidentally drop it and hit it in the corner. You know what I mean? Because just have it there. Now you put this in here. You loosen them up a little bit. And I can loosen that one up a little bit. There it is. Now I got them in. Now I need the screwdriver. Can you please hand me the screwdriver?
Yes.
Thank you. And tie it up a little bit. You know, don't want to put too much pressure. Make sure it's nicely tight, not too much, so you know you'll feel it. There it is. It's hanging on its own. If it doesn't fall, then we did good. Boom, it breaks. Now you can remove this. Make sure you guys remove this little.
Oh, so that's temporary.
Yeah, this little protection that you put in the corner so you won't accidentally hit the corner and breaks, because these are real fragile from the corners. Step 16. This is the handle to open the glass cases.
And the little magnet?
Yeah.
Okay.
You put it right here in the corner. So that's that one, right? We're on step 16. Now you gotta do the bottom one, which is this one. Pop it open.
Same thing.
And it's the same thing. And you put it in the middle. Just slide it in. And there it is. Perfect. Step 16, done. Check mark. Now you got step 17 is to put the magnets. You got your magnets right here. These bad boys right here. You put one here. Kind of put some pressure in there. Probably with the. There it is. You gotta make sure you flush it in, you know, don't be scared. Putting some pressure in there. You got your other one. And there it is. All good. And this should close already. Alright, so once all that is done, now you can open it and close it. Perfect. So you're gonna look for one of these, alright, which is this one. It's kind of hard to see it, but it's like a little clip. Not a clip, but like a little thing that you put back here.
It's like a little towel.
And then you just step it in, and you're done. Now they want us to take off all the stickers. Now it comes with an extra one too, and you're supposed to put it inside right here. The circle right here. It's right there. The easiest part. You put 4 of these. You put one in every corner. You put one in every corner. And that's right here. It comes with 4 for every corner. That's it. Now my favorite part. Putting the shelves on. There you go. That's it. Now you're done. Alright guys, so that's how you build a Detolf glass cabinet from IKEA. Big thank you to my wife for helping me put this together. You do need two people, as you can see, you know, sometimes you need someone holding the glass for you or you get some other stuff. So I do not recommend building it by yourself. And if you like the video, make sure you give it a like, subscribe, and all that fun stuff. And you know, follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and you know, if you feel like following JV, even though he wasn't here to help me out, go ahead and give him a follow. He's still a cool dude. He helps us out in the channel all the time. Funkopoptrainer here, signing out. I didn't need this book. That was just for you guys.